Top 10 Stocks to Invest in 2022. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started with our video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. A new year brings new opportunities for investors to punch their ticket to the greatest wealth creator on the planet, the stock market. In 2021, the benchmark S&P 500 galloped higher by 27%, with the widely followed index racking up almost 6 dozen record high closing prices. But if there's one constant about Wall Street, it's that there are always great deals to be found. The following 10 top stocks, which are a mix of growth, value, and income plays, could all make you a lot richer in 2022. Number 10. Meta Platforms. The 10th top stock that should make investors richer in 2022 is Meta Platforms, the parent company of social media platform Facebook. If you want to see dominance, just pull up Meta's monthly active user, MAU, count across all of its platforms. In the third quarter, 2.91 billion people visited Facebook each month, with another 670 million unique users visiting Instagram or WhatsApp, which Meta owns as well. These 3.58 billion MAUs represent more than half of the global adult population and are the precise reason advertisers will pay through the nose to get their message in front of this vast array of viewers. Number 9. Trulieve Cannabis. Following a buzzkill of a year, U.S. marijuana stocks look poised to bounce back in 2022. U.S. multi-state operator, MSO, Trulieve Cannabis is one such company that can lead the charge. Unlike most MSOs, Trulieve has uniquely approached its expansion by primarily focusing on a single market. As of last week, the company had 160 operating dispensaries nationwide, with 112 stores in medical marijuana legal Florida. Saturating the Sunshine State has helped Trulieve gobble up approximately half of Florida's dried flower and oils market share. More importantly, it's kept marketing costs down, which has allowed the company to report 3 consecutive profitable years. Number 8. Ping Identity Holding. Among double-digit growth trends, none looks safer than cybersecurity in 2022. That's why Ping Identity Holding can make investors richer this year. As its name rightly suggests, Ping's cloud-based platform focuses on identity verification for its clients. It also leans on artificial intelligence to grow smarter at recognizing and responding to potential threats over time. Ping's platform is especially useful when layered top on-premises solutions, where it helps by continuously monitoring. At an estimated 6 times 2022 sales, Ping is one of the best values in the cybersecurity space. Number 7. United Health Group. Another top stock with a long history of making its shareholders money is United Health Group. It's provided a positive total return for shareholders in 18 of the past 20 years. United Health Group is probably best known for providing health insurance. While insurance isn't a fast-growing market, it does provide the company with transparent and predictable cash flow. It also doesn't hurt that insurance companies usually have strong pricing power when it comes to increasing premiums to cover their expenses. However, United Health's key operating segment isn't insurance, it's Optum. Number 6. Annaly Capital Management. Income investors can make banks with top stocks in 2022 as well. Mortgage real estate investment trust Annaly Capital Management offers an inflation-crushing, yet sustainable, 10.9% dividend yield, and has averaged a yield of roughly 10% over the past 2 decades. Put simply, mortgage REITs like Annaly aim to borrow money at lower short-term rates, which can then be used to purchase higher-yielding long-term assets, such as mortgage-backed securities. Subtracting the average borrowing rate from this long-term average yield produces what's known as net interest margin. Number 5. PubMatic. For small-cap stock investors who want a top stock with a higher risk and reward profile, PubMatic can be best for you. PubMatic operates a cloud-based programmatic ad platform and is a sell-side provider. In English, this means its software handles the optimization of digital ad placement, with the company selling display space for publishers. Though publishers do offer input, such as the minimum price they'd be willing to accept to sell display space, PubMatic handles everything else. The platform's machine learning algorithms are designed to put relevant ads in front of users, while also maximizing what publishers net from advertisers. Number 4. Amazon. Best-of-breed stocks are a good bet to make investors richer in 2022. That's why Amazon, a leader in not just one category, but two, is a no-brainer buy. Most people are familiar with Amazon because of its dominance in e-commerce. According to eMarketer, it accounted for an estimated 41.4% of all online sales in the US in 2021. But it's the company's 200 million global Prime members who are fueling the fire for this segment. The annual fees Amazon collects from its Prime users help to buoy razor-thin margins and are what allow it to undercut brick-and-mortar retailers on price. Number 3. Walgreens Boots Alliance. If you're an investor who appreciates value stocks, pharmacy chain Walgreens Boots Alliance, with its forward-year price-to-earnings ratio of 10, is a company with all the tools needed to make you richer in 2022. Although Walgreens was hurt by reduced foot traffic during the initial stage of the pandemic, the company's multi-point turnaround plan is already well underway and set to pay big dividends in the new year. For example, the company was able to achieve over $2 billion in annual operating expense reductions a year ahead of schedule. All the while, it's been aggressively spending on digitization initiatives designed to encourage consumers to purchase products online for delivery, or pickup via drive-thru. Even though online sales represent a small sliver of total revenue, it's a segment with sustainable double-digit growth potential. Number 2. Novovax. For investors seeking growth, biotech stock Novovax can be their ticket to riches in 2022. Novovax is one of more than a dozen drug makers working to create treatments for COVID-19. The company's vaccine, NVX-CoV2373, was stellar in 2 late-stage trials in 2021. The UK and the US, Mexico trials produced vaccine efficacy rates of 89.7% and 90.4%, respectively. As one of only 3 prominent vaccines to reach an efficacy of 90%, there looks to be a clear path to Novavax becoming a major global player in the fight against COVID. Number 1. Nextera Energy. After watching growth stocks soar for the past 12 years, you're probably just itching to buy an electric utility stock, right? While the idea might sound laughable, don't discount Nextera Energy, which has delivered a positive total return to shareholders in 19 of the past 20 years. Most electric utilities grow at a low single-digit rate. But Nextera Energy has been consistently averaging high single-digit growth as a result of its aggressive investments in renewable energy. Let us know what you think about the list in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.